Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Writing Quiz. What is the correct way to write the sentence? She blank the guitar. Play, plays, playing. Plays, she plays the guitar. Select the sentence with the correct word order. Yesterday went I to the park. I went to the park yesterday. Went I yesterday to the park. I went to the park yesterday. Which sentence is grammatically correct? They enjoys playing soccer. They enjoy play soccer. They enjoy playing soccer. They enjoy playing soccer. Choose the correct verb. She blank to read books. Like, likes, liking. Likes. She likes to read books. What is the correct punctuation for the sentence? My favorite color is blue, red, and green. Comma, semicolon, colon. Comma. Select the correct word for the sentence. Blank she do her homework every night. Doing, do, does. Does. Does she do her homework every night? Which sentence is correctly punctuated? I like eating, but I don't like cooking. 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 What is the correct form of the verb in the sentence? She blanked to school every day. Go, goes, going. Goes. She goes to school every day. Select the sentence with the correct word order. He in the morning always reads a book. Always he reads a book in the morning. He always reads a book in the morning. He always reads a book in the morning. Which sentence is grammatically correct? We doesn't like to wait. We don't like to wait. We'd not like to wait. We don't like to wait. Choose the correct missing word. She has a beautiful blank. Gardening, garden, gardens. Garden. What is the correct way to write the sentence? They are blank English. Studied, studying, study. Studying. They are studying English. Select the correct sentence. My family is all very tall. My family are all very tall. My family is very tall, all. My family is all very tall. Choose the correct missing word. She bought a new blank. Book, books, shoes. Book. She bought a new book. Choose the correct missing word. I have a blank car. Run. 5. Nice. Nice. I have a nice car. Which sentence is in the correct order? She every morning a runs marathon. She runs a marathon every morning. Every morning a runs she marathon. She runs a marathon every morning. Which sentence is correct? I have a many friends. I have many friends. I have friends many. I have many friends. Select the correct verb in the sentence. They blank the museum every weekend. Visit. Visits. Visiting. Visit. They visit the museum every weekend. Which sentence is correct? She don't like ice cream. She doesn't like ice cream. She not like ice cream. She doesn't like ice cream. Choose the correct missing word. I have a blank computer. Many. Old. New. New. I have a new computer.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.